Hi everyone, welcome to Web Elements Design with Photoshop. My name is Savik Biswas. I am a web designer and animator with over 2 years of work experience. In this course, I will walk you through a simple process where you will learn the methods of designing beautiful web elements in Photoshop. Now let's have a quick look what is inside this course. This course has been broken down into 12 sections for an efficient and easy learning experience. Button design. In this section you will start learning from basic to various styles of button designing. Along with this you will also learn how to use the same techniques to create more better designs with details. Navigation design. This part will show you different type of navigation design like flat design with details, light gradients, retro design and many more. Forms design. Here we will see various types of form designing including flat, multi-step, more with various styles. Pricing table design. In this part you will learn the easiest ways of pricing table design with details. Slider design. In this section you will learn to design beautiful sliders in various styles with many examples. Media player design. Here you will learn how to design stylish video players and music players for web. Timeline UI design. Timeline UI shows how your post looks like on a blog. You will learn to design beautiful styles of describing your post, make it look better and attractive. Progress bars and toggle switches. Forms UI and pagination. Using high quality resources. Here you will learn how to get high quality resources for free, personal or commercial use and how to use them to take your skills to the next level. You can download every PSD file that I have designed during this course. This will help you to understand the course instruction in more detail. The techniques learned in this course can be used with CS5 and later versions of Photoshop. If you need more help during the course or if you want to learn more new designs, then you can simply ask me in discussion. I will answer them as soon as possible.